climb inside the 2010 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. The following features are included: air conditioning, tilt steering wheel, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, power windows, remote keyless entry, an overhead console, and power seats. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, and ABS brakes. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. They'll work with you to find the right vehicle at a price you can afford. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.